Hi, I'm Neil. I'm 9, and I'm just gonna show you some magic. Okay, so I have one card here, and a lot of cards on this. So I put this one card on a deck of cards, and then I tap it 2 times, and then rub it with my finger, the end, and then I blow on it. And the first one, I bring it back, tap it. Wait. And then I do that magic trick, and then it was and then other card. This. So, bye. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching.